Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transform your ordinary boring footage into a cinematic video using Filmora Mobile by following 6 simple steps. I'm currently in Filmora Mobile, and I have this stock video that I want to turn into a cinematic sequence. The first step is trimming the video, so cut out the parts you don't need. Once you trim the video, it will split into 2 or 3 parts. You can then connect these segments using transitions. You are free to use any transition that you want. I'll go with the dissolve transition, as it looks more cinematic and cleaner to me. The next step is to slow down your footage to create a cinematic effect. This is a simple technique commonly used in cinematic sequences. If your footage is already slow, consider slowing it down a bit more, but avoid overdoing it. You can adjust the values to your liking, but be mindful not to go overboard. There are also curve options in speed that you can choose from. These are pre-made presets that can be very helpful in creating montage videos. The next step is to add a smooth zoom-in effect. To do this, I will use keyframes. First, I'll create a keyframe at the beginning of the video. Then I'll move to the end of the video and adjust the footage to create a slight zoom effect. This will give the footage a smooth zoom-in effect, providing a cinematic look. The next step is color grading, which is the most important part of the process as it can transform dull footage into a cinematic masterpiece. When you click the filter option, you will see various filters and adjustment options to color grade your footage. However, I recommend using pre-made filters as they can save you a lot of time and provide the best results. For this cinematic sequence, I'm going to use the Dead Army LUTs, which is perfect for my video. You can also adjust the opacity of the LUTs to make it look more realistic. The next step is to add black bars or cinematic bars, which will give your video a cinematic look. In most cinematic videos, black bars are included. To add cinematic bars, go to Effects and then Cinematic. There are multiple bars available for you to use. Finally, the last step is adding background music. In Filmora Mobile, there is a vast library of music for you to choose from. If you plan to use the video for personal purposes, you can select music from Filmora Mobile. However, if you plan to use the video on social media, it is recommended not to use this music in your video to avoid potential copyright issues in the future. You can discover music based on beats, moods, and genres in the music library. Additionally, there are many sound effects that you can use in your cinematic sequence video. Furthermore, we also have AI audio available for you to generate your AI music. After adding all of this stuff and completing all the steps, here is the final result. That's all about this video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.